Hello everybody, my name is Hamid Ghulam Rezai or Hamid Ghulam Reza. Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we will talk about MassFX in 3ds Max or 3D Studio Max. Welcome to this lesson. How to put many subjects or objects together in 3ds Max software. To put many objects together randomly, we need to use the MassFX tool. We put the static object in static mode and set the shape type to original mode in the setting. Now we select the subjects we want to be arranged together, and then we select the dynamic rig option for them. Then from MassFX setting, we select the option to start simulation. Whatever state our static objects has, the objects that are going to be stacked on it will react the same way. And for example, if we raise the two sides of this box and create a compartment at the bottom, the objects will be arranged in the same way. Let's see. As you can see, the objects will be arranged in the same way.